Smartphone design has taken an interesting turn this year. Instead of bigger batteries, larger camera bumps, or heavier bodies, Apple and Samsung are now chasing one bold idea: extreme thinness. If you're planning to upgrade your phone for the holidays or looking ahead to 2026, chances are you've already noticed this shift. Two phones stand out more than any others: Apple's iPhone Air and Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge. Both promise a premium experience wrapped inside an ultra-slim body. But the real question is simple: does a thinner phone actually improve daily use, or is it just a design flex? And more importantly, which one is better? Let's break it all down. Price comparison. Premium thin comes at a cost. The iPhone Air starts at $999, replacing the Plus model in Apple's lineup. It's the only non-Pro iPhone with a large display, and Apple clearly sees it as a style-first device. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge comes in slightly higher at $1,100, positioning it as a premium alternative to the regular S25. Interestingly, Samsung discounts have already started appearing, making it easier to grab at a lower price. In classic Apple fashion, the iPhone Air charges a premium mainly for design, something Apple has done before, like with the original MacBook Air. Thickness and weight. How thin is thin? Here's where things get interesting. iPhone Air thickness, 5.64 mm. Galaxy S25 Edge thickness, 5.8 mm. That's dramatically slimmer than iPhone 17, 7.9 mm. Galaxy S25, 7.2 mm. When you hold these phones, the difference is instantly noticeable. They feel lighter, sleeker, and almost futuristic. Surprisingly though, weight savings are modest. iPhone Air, 165 g. Galaxy S25 Edge, 163 g. So while they feel lighter, the real win here is comfort, slipping easily into pockets and resting better in a hand. Display showdown. Samsung goes bigger, Apple goes brighter. Apple equips the iPhone Air with a 6.5-inch OLED Super Retina XDR display. It's incredibly bright, reaching up to 3,000 nits outdoors, making it excellent for sunny conditions. Samsung counters with a 6.7-inch QHD Plus AMOLED display on the S25 Edge. It offers higher resolution, sharper pixel density, slightly lower peak brightness at 2,600 nits. Both phones support adaptive 120Hz refresh rates, so scrolling and animations feel buttery smooth either way. Camera differences. Minimalism versus versatility. Apple takes a minimalist approach. The iPhone Air has 148 MP rear camera, smart computational photography, 2x zoom via sensor cropping. Samsung goes for flexibility, 200 MP main camera, 12 MP ultra-wide camera, 2x digital zoom. Selfie cameras also differ. Apple introduces a new square sensor that adapts automatically between portrait and landscape. Samsung sticks with a traditional 12 MP selfie camera. If you want simplicity and smart processing, Apple wins. If you want more creative options, Samsung pulls ahead. Battery life. The biggest trade-off. This is where thin phones make sacrifices. Apple doesn't disclose battery size but claims up to 27 hours of video playback. Real-world use, 1 full day with some charge left. Samsung includes a 3,900 mAh battery, promising around 24 hours of video playback. Reliable all-day usage if charged nightly. Neither phone is a battery monster, but both manage acceptable endurance given their slim designs. Charging speeds. Pretty even match. Both phones support Fast wired charging, 20W+. Around 50% charge in 30 minutes. No huge advantage here. They're evenly matched. Performance and software. iPhone Air. A 19 Pro chip. US 26. Starts at 256 GB storage. Optimized for Apple Intelligence. Galaxy S25 Edge. Snapdragon 8 Elite. Android 15. 12 GB RAM. More customization options. Performance-wise, both phones are extremely fast and future-proof. Final verdict: which thin phone wins? If you love elegant design, bright displays, clean software, back-end index pointing right, iPhone Air is for you. If you prefer camera flexibility, bigger screen, Android customization, Galaxy S25 Edge makes more sense. Thin phones aren't for everyone, but if design and comfort matter to you, this new ultra-slim trend might be the future.